Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong January 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at mag-comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. It really means a lot dito sa ating channel. So let's begin, Scorpio. Money, career, finances. Okay. We have Lava, Phoenix. Phoenix is like rising from the ashes, no? So transformation. Ito yung pagbabalik ng inyong sigla, pagbabalik ng inyong determination, ng inspiration. Yan, galing sa mga na-experience nyong challenges sa inyong finances, sa inyong trabaho, sa inyong career. Ayan, lava is your lakas ng loob, no? So, ngayong January, you have more courage, passion sa mga ipupurso mo, like yung trabaho mo, you're going to be more passionate in your business, your career, whatever you are working on. Mas, ka ngayon, mas determinado, no? Na ibalik ang sigla ng iyong trabaho, ng iyong career, ng iyong business. Some of you kasi maaaring may pinagdaanang challenges in the past or last year, no? Ngayon, you are aligning yourself, na-align mo yung goals mo versus sa actions na ginagawa mo, yung pagpaplano mo, talagang you are making practical plans to make things happen. And what I like about this Phoenix energy here, resurrection no? Pagbabalik talaga. It's like regenerating your energy, regenerating your courage. Ayan, no? You have the star. So this is healing. Maaring marami ka ring mga pinagdaanang healing process, base sa mga experiences mo in the past. Like for example, yung iba sa inyo nawala ng trabaho or merong naging problema sa career ninyo na yung iba mas piniling mag-iba ng landas na tatahakin, and yung iba naman pwedeng physically, no, nagkaroon kayo ng issue sa kalusugan ninyo, and ngayon bumabalik na yung sigla nyo, mas nangangarap kayo ulit. You are focused now on your goals, on your dreams. Wow, we have the Queen of Wands. So this is creative talents, creative skills, taking action. You are more focused, no? Mas parang laser focus ka sa mga gusto mong ma-achieve ngayon. You have the Magician. You are tapping into your skills, your talents. So pwede kasing yung iba sa inyo hindi nyo pa na-figure out kung ano yung saan kayo magaling, saan yung expertise ninyo. Sabi nga kung hindi mo pa alam kung ano yung gusto mong i-pursue mo yung sarili mo. Okay? What it means is that asikasuhin mo yung sarili mo, na i-align mo yung energy mo sa gusto mong mangyari sa iyo. Like, for example, you want to have a healthier lifestyle, you want to be physically fit, gusto mong mas presentable yung sarili mo. So, yun yung unahin mo kasi everything will just fall into place at maa-attract mo talaga yung mga bagay na para sa'yo talaga kapag inuna mong ayusin yung sarili mo. Let's see what else. You have the Queen of Cups. So, ayan na. Taking care of yourself, having more compassion, love, para sa sarili mo ang mga taong mahal mo. So, syempre, hindi lang natin naalagaan ang ibang tao na mahal natin. Alagaan rin natin, number one, yung sarili natin. You have the Ace of Swords. So, change in direction dito. Meron kang bagong idea or bagong path na tatahakin. And this will really start this exciting new beginnings para sa inyo. Parang ikaw ay nagbalik. Nagbalik yung sigla That's what I'm seeing, na dati parang nawawalan ka na ng gana, hindi ka na ganun ka excited sa ginagawa mo. But I feel like ngayong January, yan ay babalik yung passion mo na yan. And once you are passionate in what you do, yung abundance darating na lang yan sa'yo. Oo. The unknown brings wisdom when explored. So, meron kang mga certain interest na i-explore mo, aalamin mo, mag-aaral ka doon, i-explore mo in a way na kung paano mo pa mas mapapabuti yung sarili mo. There's also an upgrade, nagle-level up ka. Yung career status mo, mas umaangat. Oo, 'di ba? Ano to subjective. Depende yan sa kung paano mo i-define ang growth para sa'yo. So, yung iba, kanya-kanya kasi ng career path ng business or trabaho, no, tayo. So, when we say upgrade, ibig sabihin kung ano yung meron ka before, mas nadadagdagan siya para sa kabutihan mo. Oo. So, isa sa simpleng explanation dyan. Halimbawa, yung computer mo, yan yung ginagamit mo to earn money, to make money, or your cellphone. Tapos ngayong January, sa tingin mo, it's time for upgrade, no? So, maaring makakabili ka ng bagong gadget that will help your career, your business, na mas mag-grow pa. Meron nga lang na mga impractical decisions na pwedeng kaharapin ka, or impractical decision making, or meron kang mapiling option na hindi practical para sa'yo. So, pay attention to that kasi baka maging mistake mo yan. So, mas maganda na maging realistic yung decision making mo para mas achievable siya. Step forward now and sing your song. There is power in finding your voice. Singing your song. So, ibig sabihin yan is kung saan, ano yung gusto mo, ano yung expertise mo, ano yung interest mo, yun yung i-pursue. Yun yung i-pursue mo. Kasi you are going to be very powerful in that. Bawa magaling ka sa public speaking, o di i-pursue mo yung public speaking or any career path na you will share your knowledge or thoughts sa ibang tao. Stand tall and proud. See the leadership role unfolding ahead of you. So, some of you talaga, Scorpio, merong leadership role. So, pwedeng kayo ay hahawak ng grupo, ng mga tao, no? Sa trabaho ninyo. Yung iba naman, it's like you are going to be the leader in your field. Let's say, mayroon kang business, skincare business. So, ikaw yung parang kinoconsider na one of the pillars or leaders ng skincare. So, things like that, okay? You will soon enter into a beneficial partnership. Luck and longevity bless this union. Oh, ang ganda niyan. Beneficial partnership. So, ibig sabihin yan, pareho kayo magbe-benefit sa partnership na to, sa pagsasama na ito. So, yung iba sa inyo, this can be a business partnership or maaring yung pag-aasawa. Partnership din yan sabi nga nila, parang business rin talaga yung pag-aasawa kasi it's like merging two people, diba? You will share your income together. So, ganon. Let's see what else. Devotion overcomes setbacks. Wow. So, yung mga setbacks, ito yung mga bagay na nagpapatigil sa atin para mag-move forward minsan kailangan natin to para ma-reassess natin yung mga gusto natin at makita natin kung ano pa yung mga bagay na dapat nating i-improve. So, if you are really devoted, gusto mo talaga yung ginagawa mo, determinado ka, kahit may setbacks, hindi mo yan iisipin as pagpapabagal ng direction mo, ng pag-usad mo, but an opportunity for you to learn. Profit through learning, diba? Speaking of learning, profit through learning and observation. Ayan. So, itong observation na to, ito yung mga nakita mo na experience galing sa iba na hindi mo na kailangan pagdaanan para matutunan mo yung lesson. Kasi nga, na-experience na nila diba? So, meron ka na advantage doon na kunin yung lesson na yon. You are also learning more. So, maaring, yun nga, mas maganda na nag-a-add ka ng knowledge, ng skills mo para mas marami kang opportunities na pwede mong i-explore pa. Okay? So that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.